chance for a position in my company, what is it and why?
If you give me a chance to pick a position, I think is I can manage all the position that you will give me. Is I can manage it all, and anything you want the position you can give me.
Very confident. And what are your strengths and your weaknesses?
My strength is I'm very confident to socialize with others and promote your company. And my weaknesses is I have no weaknesses, and I am proudly and confidently to do my job and anything for me.
Very okay. Can you describe a challenging situation have you faced and how you handle it?
There was a time that the coworkers have a emergency, so I handled their work, and I successfully finished the task for them.
How do you prioritize your tasks and manage your time effectively?
I did my task as always as I can, and I go to work as early as they can. Like that.
Okay. For the last question, sir, why do you want to work for our company?
I want it because of the high benefits and to more improve my skills.